What up, YouTube? This is GeoStealth R1. What are we doing today? So, as you can see, we have the Traxxas Mini Slash 4x4 on the table today, and we're starting to do updates and upgrades on this RC. There are more parts that are coming out for it. A little bit slower than the other products that are out there, from the Mini XRT to the Mini Max, but we'll see what happens. I know they have to release the arms that need to come out very soon. The center drive shaft, I think, just came out. I got to throw a center diff, amongst other things. There are going to be things that I need to update on this RC itself. But what just came in? Here we go. This is the Traxxas Mini Slash High Intensity Off-Road Light Kit. Part number is 10886, and it's around $50. So it's pretty cool because I'm looking at it and it gives me the LEDs in the front and it gives me two rear LED indicators in the back. Wow. It looks like what? It looks like I may have to cut holes. Oh boy, we'll see how that works out. So, yeah, there's the instruction manual, and let's get this thing started. Alrighty, so I disassembled everything on the body, the internal chassis and everything like that. So what they're telling me to do is I have to cut this portion where the Traxxas is at, and then I have to put a little sticker, which would be this, stick this on there, left and right, and then mount all that stuff up. Yeah, it's going to be very interesting. But let's go ahead. All right, so here's where I'm at. We're installing this whole thing. So you had to cut the top, everything mounts, all the paperwork gives you every single direction that you're supposed to be utilizing. And here is the back. My recommendation to you, I ended up having some nips, and get yourself a very sharp X-Acto knife. That's going to be the meat and potatoes for there. Here's my cable that has been installed to the receiver box. Let's plug all this together and see what it looks like. Alrighty, so here we go. Here's the front. Looks pretty awesome. And here is the rear. And yeah, definitely a cool upgrade. For $50, I don't think it's too bad. So it's going to be a little bit tougher when you're using this portion of it to install that part. But let me tell you, make yourself get an X-Acto knife, and it will be a lot easier for you to do. So hopefully this video was informative to you. Rate, comment, subscribe. Tell my friends up in YouTube. Later.